Hello, my name is Johnny Zabka, and today I'm just going to go over some of my welcome songs that I do and then some other songs that are favorites that we did this week. So within my Circle Time class, I go through and do a hello with them. You know, when everyone comes in, I just kind of chat with them. If they're feeling really shy or nervous, I actually pull out a puppet, but you don't have to use a puppet. You can just use your fingers. But especially the first couple days, I usually like have a puppet and I'm like, hello. Where are you? And then that way they get, you know, if they're shy with me, then they think that the puppet's really cute and funny, and we play peekaboo until they warm up a little bit, and then we get into our welcome. So I always sing a welcome song, and my otter puppet actually sings it for me. So again, you don't have to do it with a puppet. This is just how I do it. So I bring Otter's hands up and we just sing, and the kids will start to sing with me. I'm like, let's sing. So this is the way we say hello, say hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello to all our friends. Hello, friends. Good to see you today. Hello, 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 hello. And he gets a little silly, but you can do that. Just sing the regular song. So again, it goes, this is the way we say hello, say hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello to all our friends. Hello, friends. Good to see you today. And then I always say to the kids, everyone say hello to your friends. Say hello, friends. And then they sing it like me, and then we do different voices. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Good to see you today. Let's get on the train. And that's my next song. My next song is where we get on the train. So we do a chugga chugga, so we get our arms going. So I'm like, get your arms. Let's get on the train. Ready? The train's starting to go. And chugga 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 chugga. Where's those arms? Let me see them. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. We are all here together. Yes, we are. Choo choo. We are all here together. Yes, we are. Choo choo. We are all here together. We're all here together. We're all here together. Yes, we are. Choo choo. Then I will go through and I will tell them, especially the first week, I'm going to say your name. Everyone be quiet. When I say your name, you say choo choo and get on the train. So Samantha's on the train. Yes, she is. Choo choo, Samantha. Choo choo. And Jonathan's on the train. Yes, he is. Jonathan, it's your turn. Choo choo. And Adam's on the train. Yes, he is. Choo choo. And we keep going down the line until we get through all the kids. And we just keep doing, and on the train. Yes, he is. Or yes, she is. And we keep going down. Now, if you have a really huge class, you can do that differently. You can say, if you're wearing red, say choo choo. Who's wearing red? Where's your arm? Choo choo. If you're wearing blue, say choo choo. Who's wearing blue? Oh, you're wearing blue. Get your arm up. Ready? Choo choo. So instead of doing all the names, you can do colors, or you can do something else. But then I get all the way through and I go, we're all on the train. We're all on the train. We're all on the train. Yes, we are. And everyone says, get that arm up. Choo choo. There we go. Yay. We're all on the train and ready for class today. Thanks for coming to class. It's great to see you. That's how I do my opening. So that usually takes at least 3 minutes. I only teach about 6 kids at a time in Outschool. If you have a bigger class load and you're taking a really long time to get through those names and for them to say choo choo, it doesn't take that long, but I would say, like, if there's a lot of kids, you probably want to go with the colors, because that's going to hopefully bring more kids in faster. So, and then you could do something else for their names. But I usually do that because they think it's really cool and they hear their name and then they do their choo choo. Okay, so the next one that another one that I do is the days of the week. So for the days of the week, there's different songs that I use. So the first one is a little bit like the Addams Family. So if you remember the Addams Family, do-do-do-do, 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 do-do-do-do. But they're little kids and it's really hard to snap. right? So it's hard for us to snap sometimes. So we do a clap, and I just go, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There we go. So that's how I do days of the week. And I do days of the week like 3 different ways, I want to say, because different kids will get it different ways. And in this one you have to say, there's Sunday and there's Monday. So that's a little harder. So then we also do, how many days are there in a week? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then I do 7. Let's do 7. Let's count together. Where's those fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Close your hands. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yay! You did it! Okay, and so I might do one or the other. I usually don't do both of those on the same day. So I usually will just kind of flip-flop those around so they hear it different ways and get used to it different ways. And then the last one I have that's for days of the week, which they absolutely love, is off of Super Simple. So if you've never seen Super Simple before, they actually have an app called Super Simple. And I'll put a link down below to their YouTube channel. But I really like how they sing the song because they repeat it over and over. So it goes like this. And I hold up something like this and I go, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again? Okay, let's do a funny voice. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I just find different ways for them to hear those over and over. And then we also practice looking at the words like this. And after I had the kids, I want to say 10 months. I've had them for 2 semesters, some of the kids. Then I took this out and I cut it. And we would play games like, oh, look, it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is missing? Now only the older kids, like 4 and 5-year-olds, will start to get this. Some of the 3-year-olds were starting to get this by the end, because then we would go, let's check. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Which one is missing? It's Wednesday. Look, there's W. Wednesday. So that's how I would do that. And I would do that with the kids, not every day. Again, that is something that maybe we would do on Friday, like just to kind of check where they are with everything. And the other way I did a calendar is everyone got a calendar that I sent them as a PDF, and we did our calendar together. So I would do the same thing. I would ask parents, a lot of times in my classes, parents are sitting with the kids. So I would ask the parent, sorry, to please have the kids follow along. Watch what the kids are doing, because sometimes they go the wrong way. So I asked the parents, or I would tell them, like, hey, please watch your kids and make sure they're going the right way. They're going left to right, like we would read a book. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that got them used to looking at a calendar, and then we would mark a calendar spot and they would look up and see. So I'm like, okay, look, let's mark our calendar. Go up, 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 up with your finger. What day is that? who knows? Raise your hand. And then they would say Saturday, and that's how we would get that. And then that's how I would do my days of the week and my days of the week songs. So I hope that's helpful for you on how you can do days of the week as well. And then we would just go into, well, what day is it today? And that would be off of our calendar, where they would look up and say the day. And then I have my Friday laminated, or whatever day it is. And then like, okay, let's build our board. And then I would put this on my board. So I'm kind of giving you like a lowdown of my welcome and my days of the week. The ABCs and all that will be a different video, okay? So I know that you guys are watching, but I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna do my ending song now. Okay, so my ending song for my circle time is just like this is the way we say hello, but this is the way we say goodbye. So I always would end with singing the ABC song, by the way, and there's different ways to do the ABC song. So I will explore those in a different video because I think they're so helpful. But right now, after our ABC song, they always know it was time to say goodbye, always. So they were like, where's Otter? We want to say goodbye. So I bring out my puppet, which like I said, you don't have to have one, but here's my Otter. He's like, hello, and he would say goodbye. So this is the way we say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. This is the way we say goodbye to all our friends. Goodbye, friends. All right, thank you for watching. I hope that helps you out a little bit for days of the week and how I do that. I'm gonna do Months Macarena as well, but on a different video, and how I do my ABCs. So have a great day, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bar or little bell. Ding, 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 because that way when I upload a new video, you'll be notified right away. And I know you want to see more of me. All right, thank you, and have a great day. Bye.